What's up, everybody? We're back again for another year of racing. Today we're going to put the wrap on and have a little bit of fun with it also. So we're going to see what we get into. We got the whole entire family here, plus some, so it's going to be interesting, but we're going to have fun while we put the wrap on.
Oh, she's going to look clean.
She's going to look clean. Hey, bub. Somebody's got to have fun around this joint.
Oh, you're right.
Everybody else is too serious around this unit.
Apparently hasn't met me yet.
Says the one that cut his head.
Get a close-up of that.
Can't have nothing nice around here, I tell you.
So what's our first process here?
Try and make sure all the lines line up so we don't stick something and then put something else on and then the lines are all out of sorts, because that won't look good. So we gotta make sure everything lines up perfect and then we'll start sticking here.
Why aren't they working?
Listen, I'm gonna tell you something right now. It's probably best them two just stay back there in their little corner over there so we don't gotta listen to the riffraff over here and we can actually do something. It's better they stay back there.
I really don't know what's going on right now. I'm just here for like moral support, and if something needs help, you think we can line some stuff up, but I went for the passes.
Yeah.
Right there you get it. Right there you get it. Right there. He'll get it right there. I want from that piece. Extra piece. He'll get it. The whole crowd watching.
Uh-oh. I'm buckling the pressure right
Oh.
You got to make sure the little pieces match up like a puzzle.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Got those steady welder hands. He's used to holding small things in his hand.
They're all freaked out about a light, but it just, the heater's on and it happens all the time. I don't think they believe us.
So one of yours pushing on everybody on the right, but
You gotta love Timmy when he looks at his phone. If he's looking at his phone, he's always gonna smile like that. I couldn't tell you why.
what? Goddamn blood balloon. 61.
Only 61?
Damn. Sharpening the knife.
Sharpening the knife? You got a butcher block over there?
I'm breaking off the net.
Oh yeah, fun process here. This time we're trying a different enamel for this plastic stuff. Hopefully this time it actually sticks and stays on the car for more than one race. If not, we're going to get on Clayton here and tell him we need another one.
Alright, Pierce, time to blow dry that hair. Oh.
Looks like Pierce about had enough, but
Oh, I've been hearing all about it.
Gorgeous on my last nerve, that's all.
Man, what the heck?
It's a mess over here.
Don't worry, Clayton will fix it.
No, I won't.
She got hot quick.
No, you can't do that.
Pierce, you might be fired.
Hey, if he's mad about that, I could be really mad about him killing them all every time we go to Atomic. Well, hopefully the stuff Clayton brought will keep it on for a couple more laps. But the way Caiden drives, he'll probably have the whole door into the wall.
You can only hit the wall so much.
You tell him that.
One bird over
I
there.
wouldn't. I don't know if that's crazy.
Yeah, food is here. My fat butt got to eat right now. Oh my God, that is creepy.
That's just the
Oh my God, oh my God.
First day on the job. Go for it, man. 2020.
Yeah, okay.
He's thinking about the year. What's wrong with you?
All right, so we finally got everything finished after a long, I don't know, 4 hours or so maybe. But the car looks absolutely beautiful. Clayton did an amazing job. I don't even want to get it dirty, but hopefully we're at the dirt track here shortly.